In this tutorial, I will show you how to create coloring pages using Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and type Book in the search bar. Choose a page size such as 8.5 by 11 inches, which is the common size used for coloring books. Once the canvas opens, start by adding a border to frame your coloring page. Go to the Elements section and search for border. Choose a simple design and place it around the edges of your page. This helps make the coloring sheet look clean and organized. Next, add the main artwork for the coloring page. Go to the Elements section and search for line art such as animals, flowers, cartoons, or other simple drawings. Choose images that are black and white outlines so they are perfect for coloring. Place the line art in the center of the page and resize it so it fits nicely inside the border. Make sure there is enough space for coloring and that the lines are clear. You can also combine multiple drawings to create a theme. For example, you can add several animals, trees, or shapes to create a fun scene for kids to color. If you want more unique designs, you can generate simple line drawings using ChatGPT or other tools and upload them into Canva. Then place the images on your page and arrange them the way you like. Once your coloring page design is ready, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF print or high quality PNG to keep the lines sharp when printing. That is how you create coloring pages using Canva.